Bring us to the 6 o'clock hour. We're getting ready for a setting sun here on a fairly quiet start to our work week after a very active weekend of weather brought a lot of rain between Friday and Saturday and even into Sunday. The showers just continued. Now we're looking at more showers on Wednesday for our area. Some could see some strong thunderstorms. More on that in a second. Then that'll be followed up by some cool air moving in once the skies clear behind the storm. Friday and Saturday could bring some frost. So let's get to the details of what we're watching for on Wednesday's system. An impressive storm system that will bring some strong winds to all areas. Looks like it could bring some snow out to the west. Thunder and lightning in our area is a possibility, and another inch or two of rain is a possibility as well. And that snow out to the west, well, it could be significant. Take a look at this hour-by-hour forecast as we take a regional look. Starting on Tuesday, the snow begins in the Rocky Mountains of Montana, Wyoming, and moves into the western Dakotas. So from the Black Hills all the way up into the oil patch, we could be getting some accumulation first thing on Wednesday morning. For us, passing showers begin to push in. A little bit of a midday break will give us some heating, although a little bit of heating. But this storm system, as it moves its way up by the midday hours, and it's timed just right to move into our area during the peak heating of the day, where we could get a couple of thunderstorms in the southern valley into southern Minnesota that could be strong. I'll be watching for what we call low top supercells. With this much spin in the atmosphere, we'll keep our eyes on it. Just know we could get rain, locally heavy, a few thunderstorms that could be strong to severe as this system spirals through and out of here by Thursday mid-morning. And the rainfall is going to be potentially high. Again, a third of an inch, where you see the blue colors heading up in towards an inch in the green areas, and then an inch or more under isolated thunderstorms in our area as well as out to the west. Speaking of out to the west, how much shovel trouble are we talking? Well, in the western Dakotas, not as much as eastern Montana. Many there could see 4 to 8 inches from, say, Glendive through Baker, and it's always fun to say Ekalaka, ain't it? Down there in Ekalaka, Montana. We'll keep our eyes on that because it will shift a little bit. Midweek changes by Thursday morning. 62 right now. West-northwest winds 13 miles per hour. Crystal clear skies. Some 50s in the Devil's Lake Basin and the James River Valley. A lot of low to mid 60s out in Lakes Country, where we have Wahpeton all the way out to Fergus Falls in the 64-degree range. Crystal clear skies tonight. Pretty good for the potential viewing of the northern lights tonight. Solar activity just a few days ago making its way towards our Earth. As we take a look at your morning temperatures, increasing high clouds, temperatures in the mid 30s for a few locations, but the rest of us start out near 40 degrees. Increasing high clouds throughout your day. We'll see some midday sun trying to peek its way through in the south. That means it will warm more in the south and up to the north. A little bit breezy, 10 to 20 miles per hour. A northeast wind early becomes more easterly as we head into your afternoon. And again, warmer south, a little cooler up to the north. By late in the day, though, the changes begin to punch their way in the form of clouds for us. Western Dakotas with the snow Tuesday night, and also rain. Here's those thunderstorms heading our way for our round on Wednesday. Here's a look at your planning forecast for your terrific Tuesday morning. It'll be crisp and in those low 40s. We'll slowly ramp up and then get a little accelerated warming as we go through the afternoon, with hopefully a few peaks of sun. Those clouds really start to build into the afternoon and evening. Our wind becomes a lot more easterly, and by late it will get gusty. Wind for everybody with this strong storm system running its way through the region. 49 tomorrow afternoon on your way home from work and school in Devil's Lake, 60 in Detroit Lake. Looks like 61 tomorrow afternoon. That's about seasonal for this time of the year for you in Sisseton and here in the FM area. Jared, thanks for this double rainbow. Wow, what a rainy weekend we had. Anywhere from a trace of rain to 4 or 5 inches of rain in western parts of Cass County and parts of eastern North Dakota. First alert weather day, 60 degrees, rain, thunder. We'll keep our eyes on that. Cool and rain ending Thursday, but real cool for some on Friday. Frost will be isolated, but it becomes more widespread for our second first alert weather day of the week. Be prepared to get those plants in, everybody, and might be time to think about, well, disconnecting hoses and things like that we take care of around our house so that we don't get bit by the frost.
There's a lot to think about.
It is.
Yeah. Thanks, Hutch.
Later on Valley News Live.